Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Dense fog advisory in effect for the shaded areas, basically about Highway 20 southward. Does include a couple of counties just north of that, Bremer and Butler counties there. Visibility at times will be less than a quarter of a mile. A couple of slick spots are possible in elevated surfaces as temperatures get down to about 33 degrees for the overnight hours, but I do think the bigger concern would be the fog, not any of the icy conditions, if there were to be any. I just don't see that happening at this point. Temperatures will be about 33, 34 degrees throughout the overnight hours. A couple of showers move into the picture after midnight. Morning commute looks a bit wet and foggy. We'll continue the few light showers here at lunchtime as temperatures now get into the middle 30s. More widespread rain as we get into the late afternoon and into the evening hours, and that continues through a good portion of the overnight as temperatures stay in the middle 30s. Rain tapers off as we get towards 9 o'clock in our far eastern counties. This is as we get into Friday morning, and then after that, cloudy sky, which is pretty much the par of what we've been dealing with. Rain amounts out of this could be up around a quarter of an inch across the area, a little heavier amounts farther to the south and east, where some spots could be up around a half inch of rain. Temperatures for tonight will remain above the freezing mark in most locations. Look for some areas of dense fog, and that fog will thin out, and then eventually rain will be more widespread in the afternoon. Middle 30s for highs. Wind will be light, and your city-by-city forecast does include clouds for Friday and Saturday. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s, and the rest of your 10-day forecast, clouds will continue here on Sunday. Mostly cloudy on Monday as they start to see these clouds break up just a little bit. And as the clouds start to break up a little bit, it'll do two things. Allow the temperatures to be a bit warmer during the day with some sunshine, but also at night it will allow the temperatures to cool off a little bit, so temperatures will drop down into the 20s, slowing that melting during the day and night that we will be seeing here over the next couple of days with temperatures above the freezing mark, while melting during the day but then sort of refreezing at night, so a couple of slick spots are possible on sidewalks, parking lots, that kind of thing, early in the morning hours before the temperature starts to warm up and before the sun melts that frost or ice. Now, as for any additional rain after, I'll say Friday morning early, it won't have to be till on Saturday the following week, but temperatures then in the mid-40s.